Hello, my friend. Welcome. Thank you for being here today. Take a slow breath. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Today, we talk about one simple idea. Learn English. Change your future. Let me ask you something. Do you want a better life? Do you want more chances in the future? If your answer is yes, this message is for you. Many people feel tired. Many people feel afraid. They think, I am too old. I am not smart. I cannot learn English. Maybe you feel this way too. You try to learn. You listen to English. But you do not understand everything. You feel slow. You feel sad. One day, you want to stop. But listen carefully. This feeling is normal. Everyone feels this way. Even strong people feel weak sometimes. Even successful people fail before they win. You are not alone. Part 1. It is okay to feel weak. 1. Feeling weak is normal. Sometimes you feel weak. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel empty inside. This is normal. This happens to everyone. You are not strange. You are not broken. You are human. Even strong people feel weak. Even happy people feel sad sometimes. 2. Weak moments do not mean you are a weak person. Feeling weak does not mean you are weak. It does not mean you failed. It only means you are trying. It means you are facing something new. Learning something new is hard. Change is hard. So when you feel weak, it means you are growing. 3. It is okay to stop and rest. You do not need to be strong all the time. You do not need to smile every day. Sometimes you need rest. Sometimes you need silence. Rest is not quitting. Rest is part of the journey. When you rest, you get energy again. 4. Fear and doubt are part of learning. Fear is normal. Doubt is normal. You may think, can I do this? Am I good enough? These thoughts come to everyone. They come before progress. Do not fight them. Just notice them. Then continue. 5. You are allowed to feel your feelings. Do not hide your feelings. Do not be angry with yourself. It is okay to feel sad. It is okay to feel slow. It is okay to feel confused. Your feelings are not your enemy. They are messages. Listen to them gently. Then move forward slowly. 6. Weekdays still count. Even on weekdays, you are still moving. Even when you feel tired, you are still learning. A small effort on a hard day is very powerful. Weekdays still count. They are part of your story. 7. Speak gently to yourself. When you feel weak, talk to yourself softly. Say, it is okay. I am doing my best. I will try again tomorrow. Kind words bring calm. Calm brings strength. 8. From weakness comes strength. Weakness is not the end. It is the beginning. When you accept your weakness, you become stronger. Step by step, day by day, you grow. Remember this. It is okay to feel weak. You are still moving forward. Part 2. Do not give up on yourself. 1. You are stronger than you think. Sometimes you feel weak. Sometimes you want to stop. But listen carefully. You are stronger than you think. You have survived hard days before. You have faced problems before. So you can face this too. You can try again. You can keep going. 2. Mistakes are part of learning. Do not fear mistakes. Do not be afraid to fail. Every mistake teaches you something. Every failure makes you wiser. If you stop because of mistakes, you stop your growth. But if you try again, you grow stronger every time. 3. Keep going, even slowly. You do not need to go fast. You do not need to be perfect. Just keep going. Step by step. Day by day. Even small progress is progress. Even slow steps take you forward. Remember this. Slow progress is better than no progress. 4. Talk to yourself with hope. When you feel tired, Say softly in your heart, I will try again. I can do this. I will not give up. Your words are powerful. They give you hope. They give you strength. 5. One day at a time. Do not think too far ahead. Do not worry about the whole journey. Focus on today. Focus on one step today. One day at a time. One step at a time. You will reach your goal. 6. You are not alone. Remember this. You are not alone. Many people feel what you feel. Many people try what you try. You have support in your heart. You have your courage. And every step you take is proof you can do it. 7. Believe in your future. Do not give up on yourself. Do not stop believing. The future is waiting for you. The future is bright. The future belongs to those who try. You can try. You can grow. You can succeed. 8. Gentle reminder. So today, right now, say to yourself, I will keep going. I will try again. I will not give up. This is your power. This is your strength. This is your choice. Part 3. Small steps are powerful. 1. Big changes start with small steps. Sometimes, we want big results quickly. We want to speak English perfectly today. We want success immediately. But big changes start with small steps. One small action every day builds something great. Remember, a small step is still a step forward. 2. Focus on one small thing. Do not try everything at once. Do not do too much at the same time. Focus on one small thing today. Learn one word. Practice one sentence. Listen for 1 minute. Even this is enough. Even this moves you forward. 3. Small steps create habits. When you take small steps every day, you create a habit. Habits are powerful. Habits make learning easy. Habits make success possible. One step today, one step tomorrow. Step by step, day by day. You build your future. 4. Small steps give confidence. Big goals can feel scary. Small steps feel easy. When you do small steps, you feel good. You feel proud. You feel motivated to continue. Even small progress gives big confidence. 5. Repetition is strength. Do the small step again and again. Repeat the word. Repeat the sentence. Repeat the action. Repetition is not boring. Repetition makes your brain strong. Repetition creates success. 6. Celebrate small wins. Every small step is a win. Every little progress matters. Say to yourself, I did it today. I learned one thing today. I am moving forward. Celebrate small wins. They keep your motivation alive. 7. One step at a time. Never forget this. One step at a time. One day at a time. Even if it is small, even if it is slow, you are moving forward. Small steps are powerful. They create big results in the future. Part 4. Consistency is more important than speed. 1. It is okay to go slow. You do not need to be fast. You do not need to finish quickly. Slow progress is still progress. Slow learning is still learning. Remember, it is better to move slowly and steadily than to go fast and stop. 2. Small effort every day is powerful. Even 5 minutes a day matters. Even 10 minutes a day matters. Consistent small efforts are more powerful than long efforts one time. Little by little, day by day, you create change. 3. Consistency beats talent. You do not need to be the smartest. You do not need to be the fastest. Consistency is stronger than talent. Consistency creates results. Consistency builds confidence. Even small, simple actions can lead to big success if you do them every day. 4. Trust the process. Sometimes, you do not see change immediately. Sometimes, you feel slow. That is normal. Change takes time. Trust the process. Trust your daily effort. Step by step, day by day, Your hard work adds up. 5. Make a routine. Try to do something every day, even a little, even a small action. Set a simple routine. Listen to English 5 minutes. Repeat 3 words. Speak 1 sentence. Routines make learning easier. Routines keep you consistent. Routines lead to progress. 6. Be patient with yourself. Do not rush. Do not compare yourself to others. Your journey is yours. Your pace is perfect for you. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. Consistency will take you far. 7. Gentle reminder. Consistency is stronger than speed. Slow and steady wins the race. Even small steps every day lead to big results in the future. Say to yourself, I will keep going. I will do a little every day. I trust my journey. Part 5. Talk to yourself with kind words. 1. Your words are powerful. The words you say to yourself matter. Your mind listens to you. Your heart listens to you. If you speak kindly, you feel calm. You feel confident. You feel motivated. 2. Stop negative self-talk. Do not say, I am stupid. I cannot do this. I am not good enough. These words are harmful. They make you feel weak. They stop your progress. 3. Use gentle and positive words. Instead, say softly, I am learning. I am improving. I am doing my best. I can do this. Positive words give you courage. Positive words give you hope. Positive words give you energy. 4. Remind yourself of small achievements. Say to yourself, I learned 1 word today. I spoke 1 sentence today. I listened and understood a little. Even small achievements matter. Even small steps are wins. Your kind words celebrate your effort. 5. Speak to yourself like a friend. Imagine you are talking to your best friend. You would never say, you are useless. You cannot do this. Say to yourself what you would say to a friend. You are trying. That is amazing. You are strong. Keep going. You are doing great. 6. Repeat positive words daily. Every morning, say, I can do this. I will try. I am moving forward. Every night, say, I did my best today. I am proud of myself. I will continue tomorrow. Repetition makes your mind believe it. Repetition strengthens your confidence. 7. Gentle reminder. Your words are your power. Speak kindly to yourself. Encourage yourself. Believe in yourself. Say it softly. I am learning. I am growing. I can do this. Part 6. Gentle repetition for confidence. 1. Repetition builds strength. When you repeat positive words, you remind your mind of your power. You remind your heart of your courage. Repetition makes confidence grow slowly, but surely. 2. Simple phrases to repeat. Say these softly. I can do this. I am learning. I am moving forward. I am getting better every day. Say them slowly. Say them clearly. Say them gently. 3. Repeat in calm moments. You can repeat these phrases in the morning to start your day, during the day when you feel weak, at night to end your day with hope. Every repetition strengthens your mind. Every repetition strengthens your heart. 4. Combine repetition with small steps. When you repeat, I can do this, remember to take 1 small step. 1 word, 1 sentence, 1 minute of listening. Repetition plus action equals confidence and growth. 5. Repetition in daily life. You do not need long time. Even a few repetitions matter. Listen to 1 sentence 3 times. Say 1 word 5 times. Remind yourself gently, I am improving. Small repetition adds up day by day. 6. Gentle reminder. Be calm. Be patient. Do not rush. Repeat softly. I can do this. I am learning. I am growing. Feel each word. Believe each word. Let each word give you courage. Learning English is not magic. It is daily practice. Listen a little every day. Speak when you can. Repeat simple words. You do not need long hours. You need consistency. 5 minutes today. 5 minutes tomorrow. When you listen to English, your brain learns. Even when you do not feel it. English opens doors. New jobs. New friends. New confidence. When you learn English, you learn to believe in yourself. Take a slow breath. Feel your body relax. Feel your mind calm. You have done something good today. You have listened. You have learned. You have tried. Even a small effort is a success. Even a small step moves you forward. Be proud of yourself. Say softly in your heart, I am learning. I am growing. I am moving forward. Every day, every small step, you are creating a better future. You are becoming stronger. You are becoming more confident. Your future is waiting. It is bright. It is full of opportunities. When you keep trying, even a little every day, you are building it. Listen, speak, repeat. Take one step at a time. Trust your journey. Do not stop. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Do not worry about being perfect. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. Thank you for listening today. I believe in you. You can do this. Remember, one word at a time, one step at a time, one day at a time. Your effort today creates your success tomorrow. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep shining.